In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a schedule on a sheet in Revit. A schedule is a smart tabular view of your model data, things like doors, rooms, or materials, while a sheet is the printable layout that organizes drawings and information for documentation. Our goal is to take a schedule that already exists in the project and place it neatly onto a sheet so it's ready for plotting or sharing. Start by looking to the project browser, usually docked on the left side of your screen. Find the schedule's quantities section. If you only see the heading, click the small arrow to expand it so you can view the schedules inside. This is where Revit lists all your schedules available for placement. Take a moment to identify the one you want. If you're unsure, a quick single click will highlight it, and you can pause to confirm its name and purpose. Keeping your schedules clearly named will make this step much faster on future projects. Next, open the sheet where you want the schedule to appear. In the project browser, scroll to the Sheets branch and double-click the sheet name. That brings the sheet into the main drawing area, showing the title block and any existing views or schedules already placed. Confirm you're on the correct sheet before placing, especially if you're working in a large set. Now, place the schedule by dragging it from the project browser onto the sheet. Click and hold the schedule name in Schedules Quantities, drag your cursor over the drawing area, and release to drop it. Revit will show a preview outline as you drag so you can see roughly where it will land. If you change your mind mid-drag, simply move your cursor away or press Escape to cancel before releasing. With the schedule on the sheet, position and resize it for a clean layout. Click to select it, then move it by dragging. For fine control, use the arrow keys to nudge it into alignment with your title block graphics. If the schedule feels too wide or too tight, adjust the column widths by selecting the schedule and dragging the column borders to widen or narrow the table. As you resize, watch the text and headers. The goal is a balance between readability and space efficiency. Zoom in to verify the alignment and text clarity, and zoom out to check overall composition on the sheet. That's all it takes. Expand schedules, quantities, select your schedule, open the target sheet, drag it onto the page, then position and resize it until it looks just right.